everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a little unsettling: the rise of AI-generated images and how we can tell what's real anymore. From deep fakes to AI-doctored photos flooding social media, it's getting harder than ever to trust our own eyes. Stick around to the end of the video, because I'll be sharing some tips on how you can protect yourself from this growing problem online. We've all seen those unbelievably realistic AI-generated images online. Faces that don't exist, landscapes that look like something out of a dream. It's incredible what AI can create these days. But what happens when this technology is used to mislead or even harm? We've seen it with deep fake videos, and now it's happening with still images too. Think about the impact this could have on something as crucial as an election. Imagine seeing a picture of a candidate doing something controversial. Is it real? Is it fake? AI image generators are becoming so good, it's getting tougher to tell. This ability to manipulate images and spread misinformation is a serious threat. The good news is that some of the biggest names in tech are working on solutions. One of the most promising is something called C2PA authentication. C2PA stands for the Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity. This group, backed by companies like Microsoft, Adobe, and even ARM, is developing a way to embed information directly into image files that tells you if it's been manipulated. Think of it like a digital fingerprint that verifies the image's authenticity. Here's how it works. Imagine snapping a picture with your camera. With C2PA, information about the image, things like the date, time, location, even the camera settings, is recorded right then and there. This metadata is like a digital signature, proving the image hasn't been tampered with. And it isn't just limited to new cameras. Editing software like Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom can add something called content credentials. This means even if you edit a photo, the software keeps a record of those changes, so anyone can see what was done, like adding or removing something from the image. This level of transparency is going to be key in fighting misinformation. So, where do we see this technology being used? Ideally, everywhere. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even online news sites. Everywhere you see images. Imagine scrolling through your feed and seeing a verified, authentic mark on important photos or a clear label that says, "This image was generated using AI." This kind of transparency would be a game changer, wouldn't it? But there are challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is getting everyone on board. Right now, only a handful of camera makers are supporting C2PA. We need companies like Apple and Google to add this to smartphones if we want this to really work. Think about how many pictures and videos are taken on phones these days. And it's not just about the technology, it's about changing how we think about information online. We've all got to become more critical thinkers. Don't believe everything you see. Question the source of images, especially if they seem too sensational or are being used to push a specific agenda. Do your own research. A little bit of skepticism goes a long way these days. We are at a turning point. If we don't address this now, it's only going to get worse. But with advancements in AI and a collective effort to fight misinformation, I believe we can navigate this new reality. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more resources on AI image detection. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative and maybe even a little eye-opening. I'm really trying to build a community here where we can all learn about AI and its impact on our world. So please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Let me know what other AI topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Until next time, stay curious.